Are you still feeling stuck after divorce? Divorce isn't a life change, it's a real layered grief. And healing isn't about rushing, it's about rising. Introducing the Post Divorce Healing Workshop Series, designed to help you release, rebuild, and rise into your next chapter. Grieving the divorce you thought you'd never have. Who am I now? Finding yourself after the breakup. Reclaiming confidence as a single mom. And designing life after divorce. Emerge and thrive. Real emotional healing. Real confidence rebuilding. Real community. Your healing journey starts here. Sign up for a workshop today and take the first step towards reclaiming your life. Head over to drtiathelifecoach.com.